Hi y'all, how are y'all doing today? Yeah, I just wanted to get on here in the midst of the tragedy that happened in Paris, France yesterday. I just wanted to get on here and tell you what happened a few hours before all of that. By the way, I miss y'all. It's just kind of difficult and challenging to do videos these days, but yeah, I just keep on keeping on. So anyways, excuse me, I'm having some drainage today. Well, a few hours before all that happened, my son, he's only 5, he just randomly said, why does the Statue of Liberty carry fire? And I said, well, honey, that's a torch. She's holding up a torch, and that's just the way the designer wanted it to be. And I really didn't know what to say. And then I asked him, I said, do you know where the Statue of Liberty came from? Do you know what nation gave it to us? And of course he was like, no. And so I told him, I said, well, it was France. France gave us the Statue of Liberty, and just went into a little bit of detail about that for him. And then he goes, well, is it because she thinks she's a king? And like talking about, does she hold the fire? Because he's still thinking about that, because she thinks she's the king. Y'all, I don't know. I just started thinking about that last night. And I've just basically have been hearing a lot of things about we are kings and priests and the king. And of course, last week at his school they talked about the letter K, and they talked about King David and King Saul. So sorry, y'all. So sorry. Anyways, yeah, so I just started thinking about our conversation, and I just couldn't believe that we were having a conversation about France and the Statue of Liberty. And so this is what I want to declare and prophesy over France. I just want to declare the kingship of Jesus Christ over France. And I want to declare and prophesy the fire of God over France. France gave us a monument of freedom. And I just speak freedom and the perfect love of God over France. And I just pray for for France to have the angels just to descend into the city of Paris. I pray that God would send his comfort. And so, yeah, today when you're praying for France, just declare the fire of God, that she would hold up the fire of God, and declare that she would become, that revival would hit France, and she would become a king and a priest. And so I really believe that God spoke through my son yesterday, and it's a little bit sobering and humbling and amazing and awesome and radical and incredible, and I'm trying not to cry right now. Anyways, France, we love you. Thank you for the Statue of Liberty. We'll never forget that. And if you don't know Jesus, Jesus loves you. He just wants you to open your heart to him and just to receive his love. He's the greatest love story you'll ever come across. And so, anyways, that's what I wanted to do today. And I have a prophetic word for November, which I know we're about halfway through November already. So just pray I get some time this week to get on here and tell you. And it's kind of like of a November-December thing like last year. And if you'll go back and watch a lot of my videos from the last 2 years, there's just been a lot of repetitive themes going on even now in 2015. And so repetitive themes in 2015. Anyways, okay, I love y'all. I miss y'all. If you don't know Jesus, I'd love to get you plugged into Jesus. Just message me on here. And he died for you. He shed his blood, and he came back to life, and he lives forever. And he has freedom for you, freedom from anxiety, freedom from fear. Well, that is anxiety, but freedom from addictions, and just freedom, all kinds of freedom. Okay, bye y'all. Love y'all.